Welcome to a new video of Cooking Made Easy. Today we will present you with an original mini quiche with leftover bread and smoked salmon. So let's begin. We will need some leftover bread, some smoked salmon, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a bell pepper diced, some olive oil. We will also need some thyme, some salts, some ginger, turmeric, and 1 spoon of fresh herbs and garlic mixed. This is an easy recipe that wouldn't take even 5 minutes to make. Here I used some smoked salmon, but you could use some leftover chicken, some tuna, or whatever you have in your kitchen. We will start by mixing the milk, the eggs, and the spices. Then we will proceed to making our mini quiche. Excuse my crazy way of mixing. I just like to do things a little differently. We will now start assembling our mini quiche. We use a muffin tray. I used here the silicone molds, I just like them better. We start by putting the little bits of leftover bread, and then the smoked salmon and the red pepper. Then we will add our milk and eggs mixed. We will then put the tray in a preheated oven at 120 degrees for 20 minutes. And these are our mini quiche, all pretty and fluffy and ready to serve. Please enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends for more recipes from Cooking Made Easy.